Hi dearest, how are you all doing? Have you all been wondering how to get this pleated crinoline? Don't worry, I'm going to help you solve that issue. Yes, you can just take your pleated crinoline and start turning it around and it would appear that way. No, there is something you need to do, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do that. I've actually got this picture like twice, as in that the kids picture like twice already. Someone asked me how to make it, and so I decided to do my experiment and find out how to do it, and the experiment did work out right and I got it. And that's why you also need to join my Crinoline Masters Class. So do check the description below and join the reception and ask for Crinoline Masters Class so you be a pro in crinoline. So what you'll be needing is your thread, of course matching to the crinoline, your scissors, then you'll be needing B6000, you'll be needing a flower piece, you'll be needing your needle, and you'll be needing your pleated crinoline. Now I've already cut this one out. This is measured 22 inches. That's without dragging it. You know, if you drag it, since it's pleated crinoline, it will open furthermore, but this is 22 inches. So you'll be needing a comb to attach it. So the first thing you want to do is to fold it like so. This is the main trick. You fold it. So I'm going to be using the flower to just check to ensure that I'll still have that little part that comes out on the lady's head. Do you understand? When I fold it, if I'm going to fold it into 2 equal halves. Now I also got to know also that if you fold it, now I'm dividing it into 2 with my scissors. Okay, that's what I'm doing. But while we do that, let me explain some other things. Now I also realized that you have to know also the length, what the length and the width has to do to be able to come in to get the flat crinoline. But if you want to get this size that we got, 22 inches is okay, and dividing your pleated crinoline into half will get you that thing. So the first thing you want to do is to knot your crinoline at the edge like I'm doing, as in you keep on taking the needle and thread in through the first part so that it doesn't loosen. Then you start doing running stitches. But before you actually do running stitches, there is something you need to do, which I realized a bit a while, and that is to first of all seal. Remember, you cut it, so you don't want it to start fraying from there. So what I did was I took my B6000 and I put it all over that edge that I cut so that it doesn't fray. You need to get that done. Okay, so once you're done, you leave it a while to dry first so that it doesn't start sticking your thread and making it a bit messy like it did in mine, actually, because I think I was rushing that day to do something else. Anyway, so you now start doing your running stitches. So I'm going to do these running stitches all the way down. Now if you don't have any of the materials we're putting up in your local store, you can check the description of this video. I'll put in Amazon, AliExpress link, and a Telegram link where you can make the purchases. All right, back to our tutorial. So once you reach the end of the crinoline, what you need to do is to join it together. So I'm going to take my needle and thread and just pass it through the last place, as in the last place on that. But before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put B6000 at the edge, okay, at the edge there, so that I would join the 2 edges together, so that and you need to be careful when joining it so that it's not visible. So you have to check how you do your cutting so that the 2 edges matches together, like what's that thing that they call? Okay, I can't remember anyway, but it matches together and blends. So I've done that right now, and I'm checking it with my flower to see how it goes. It's perfect. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to join that. Okay, I think I joined it before. Okay, no, I'm doing my running stitches to join it, but you can join the 2 edges first before you do your running stitches. So I'm going to do my running stitches all the way round, and as I'm doing it, I'll just be pressing it actually to help it flatten in my sewing so that it is not getting that curvy, the jumping curvy that it wants to do. So that's what I'm going to do all the way around. So keep watching and learning. Now once you're done with that, the next thing you do is take your comb. Now I didn't want to use a full comb, so you can use your cutter and cut your comb, or you use the full comb. I think I couldn't find where the full comb is. Not that I didn't want to use it, I couldn't find the full comb. I have so many half cut combs like this because of making fascinators for bridesmaids. Okay, so this is how you sew a comb to your fascinator. Keep watching and learning. I'm actually sewing it through the teeth, but watch, I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Once you're done, you can cover it up with a material and then you're set to use. Now, if you want to make use of material to make it like you want to be able to wear a matching Ankara with or lace with your pleated crinoline design, to wear it with your attire, just join us in Brush Class 2 to get to know how to make the rolls for yourself. If you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and do also click the subscribe button and the bell if you haven't done so, and check out this next video.